Welcome back to Linux series and also welcome back to DevOps and AWS. So currently we are talking about shell scripting. So we are going to discussing about naming conventions. Let me share my screen. Let's get into topic. Yeah, is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So comments, guys. Comments in the sense, as you know, guys, you're from computer background students. You know all about this all things related to all comments and all. What is the purpose of comment? So in general scenario, uh, you know, there are a lot of big programs will be there like HTML like that. So if this is sample program, if you want to comment from here to here itself, okay, if you want to comment, so we can comment like this, right? So by using control backslash we can be able to comment like this, right? And also we can use simple something. For example, this is header. So if you want to give comment, okay, this is header, something like this I can write here like this, because if I want to if I want, my intention was, if I want to describe something regarding this so and so particular line, so I can able to do the comment. If I want to, I can also mention by using hash. Okay, I can also mention by using hash like this. Okay, so what kind of how many types of comments we have? So totally how many types of comments we have? One second. So we have two types of comments. One is SLC, another was MLC. What is SLC? Single line comment. And another one is multi-line comment. Okay. So in programming language, comments will be like so types. There are different shortcuts will be there. For example, control backslash. Also we can use for entire comment or for entire selected lines. We can able to do comments. So here in Linux, one second. In Linux, yeah, we can use hash. We have to keep comments for better understanding the code or programming or script, anything. Okay. So otherwise, we can also understand what exactly the line code is. Okay. For example, I have written something. For example, echo something high. So here I will give comment. Okay, he is wishing you. This is general in code and programming language or shell scripting. So there is specific variables will be there. There are specific names will be there. There are specific commands we will use to understand someone. You might not use command after some other day, some after a few days or months or years. You might not be there always, right? So if somebody next other person want to use the same code, if they want to understand, we have to use comments. Okay. So we can able to use by using hash. By using a hash we can able to comment. And another one, so first in single line comment, so simply we have to mention hash, and also we can give the line of the statement, right? We can use this. Okay. So and also we can use for single line comment like this. Okay. Okay, like this also we can give the comment. Example, Lokesh and Lokesh, something like this. Okay. So and multi-line comments. In multi-line comments there are two ways to create comments. Okay, it's a spanning multiple lines. Okay, so one is repeated symbols, repeated hash symbols, hash like this, hash, this is comment 1, and this is comment 2. I think some background, some noise is getting, guys, just give me 1 second, allow me just 1 second. Thank you. Yeah. Right, so something like this is repeated symbols, so we can repeatedly we can give hash like this, and we can also do the comment like this. And another one is, okay, heredoc, you know, this is another one, is this is one type, and otherwise another one is, once again, okay, this is one type, and next one is heridoc. So is it proper pronunciation, guys? Is this heridoc?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, hedoc. I generally used to call hedoc. So with different markers, like for example, like this, double greater than and single less than, double less than and single double greater than, like this. We can do comment like this, comment, okay, something like this, and we can write so and so comment. We can also use like this, right? So in generally in C language, how we can write, in C language how we can mention like this, right? Single line, for single line we have to mention like this, and for double line, for multi lines we can use like this, right? In C language we can mention like this, right? This is for multi lines, multi line comment this is, and this is for single line, simply we need to mention like this, two backslashes, right? So
Yes, sir.
yeah, so in this we can use simply hash, okay, hash and like this. So these are all you see in HTML also, you can see. So in HTML also, if you see, I'm using actually control backslash. See this? This is different one, right? But less than and greater than only, but different it came. But I have used to comment all multi-lines. I just used simple one click, which means control L. Sorry, control backslash. See, by using this control backslash, I can use simply like this. See, commented within 1 second. Okay, just one click, right? Something like this, right? So yeah, that is the purpose of comments, guys. We can also comment them. If you don't want to use the script, you can, some script lines are there, you have written some script, okay, so yeah, lot of lines of script is there. Out of which you don't want to use this, you can simply comment it, okay. If it is multi-line, you can use multi-line comment, and if it is single line, you can use single line comment. And also the something meaningful message, if you want to give to your next developers, you can also give the, by using hash you can write something meaningful description like that, okay. Okay, let's try with this. Let's see here. No, we have to go here, right? Even if I use stop also, something like this. right? Hmm? Let's write some small script for understanding. So vi control L vi vi example one script, comment cmd. I'm using shortcuts. Okay, without .sh I'm trying, guys. Let me enter. So directly writing EHI, you are getting sound, I think so, just because of I, right? Echo hello world. Next, echo example comment. Next, echo okay, I have written like this. Okay, another one is if I say something echo, this is all, this is for multi-line. Okay, I'm using like this, and okay, I'll write like this, and I'll also write something echo single line. Next, I'll use another one. I don't want to write anything, simply I need to copy. Okay, I'll tell in comment something. I'll use random comments, cal date ls. I have written like this. Okay, and so another one is echo multi-line completed. So I have written. So see these guys, I'm going to use here one thing. Here it is for showing you this. I'm going to use hash. Okay, and here from here itself, I will use this. Okay, so let's see how does it works. Okay, let me try to save this. Okay, what is this? Ex example comment, right? I will use sh ex underscore cmt. This
Sir, you have to add another comment, sir. I think at the end.
I did not end it.
You have to
Okay,
close that.
yeah, I did not close. Let me check. Ex underscore cmt. Right? 1 second. All right. That's. Let me open this. Okay. See, this is commented already, and here I'll try to close this. unexpected token new line. Okay. No problem. One second. Echo. So is it executed till here? It is executed, right? It is not executed. Multi-line and also this one. Let me try. See this man again. We'll check first cat ex underscore cmt. Okay. So this is what actually we have given. So this is for multi-line and this is single line. So I'll try to execute in front of you here. So I'll check once. See this? Echo hello world. Echo hello world should be executed. Where it is? Yeah, it is. Right? See, it is also executed. Echo example for comments. Right? Another one is echo hello world. This one. Echo. This is single line comment. Okay, this is single line comment. It is also executed. Okay, echo single line. This is not executed. See this? Am I right? Once again, cat. See this guys? Number 1 executed. Okay, right? Example for comments. Hello world. This is number 1. Okay, example comments 2. Number 2. This is for single line comment. Right? This is number 3. And this should not execute. Echo single line. No single line right here. So it is not executed. And this one, this is multi-line. Yeah, it is executed. And this is multi-line comment. It is also executed. And remaining whatever which I kept in between these two. Okay, these lines not yet executed. Okay, so let me try to I'll try to avoid this error. Why? Because it is simple text. Okay, let me try to open this. One second. Anyways, that's fine. It is not executed till line 14. Till line 14. Here comment of 7. 7 delimited by end of files. Wanted cal. See 7, right guys? 7 to 14. It is telling like that only, right? Line number 14 till from 7 to line number 14 not executed. Is it right guys? Anything wrong? Any mistake I did? Correct me if I am wrong.
No, sir, I think there is no error.
It is telling like simply it is in comment.
Yes,
Warning,
sir.
warning. Why it is warning in the sense it is in comment. Okay, from 7 it is also shown, right? Till end of the file, end of file. So here document at line 7 to show delimited by end of files, till end file, here till here. Okay, from cal 7 to 14 till, this is what meaning, 7 to 14 till 14 it got commented, that's it, right? So next, right, this is comment here, nothing else, more than that, anything. Let me open another one. For example, if I try to something which is working, right, here you see, I'll try to give hash, this is just wish. Okay, right, is it executed? Hmm?
No, sir.
No, right? So that's what, so that is a use of, see, this is just a wish, this is just a wish. So if you execute this also, see, it's not executed because it is in comment. Nothing more, nothing more than this. So that's all about comments. So we just have to
Sir,
move
we can
forward.
also use colon, no, sir.
Hmm. Yeah, we can also use
We,
that.
we can
Yes.
also use colon.
Yeah. So yeah, that's it. Shall we try, Ishwant?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Where is that? So tell me for what we have to use for this.
Yeah, like for multi-line, we can use colon, I think, sir.
Here, you're telling?
Like I remove that and we can use colon
Okay.
by removing that
Yeah.
letters.
We'll try. 1 second, I'll come down.
At the starting, sir.
Yeah.
Starting also.
Starting also, yeah. Right?
Not
One second,
exclamatory,
one
sir,
second, one
by
second, one
colon.
second, one second, one second.
Yeah, yeah. Colon with single quote, sir.
You're telling like this?
No, sir, single quote, not
Single quote,
backslash quote,
okay.
and
Like this?
ending with single quote. Yeah.
So let's try here also. Shall we try?
There we don't need quote, which is colon, I think, sir. Just a quote.
Should I close with the quote?
Yeah, yeah, only quote, sir. Yeah.
Okay, shall we try?
Yes, sir.
Let's see. Generally, I used to use these two only. We'll see. I'll execute this. Yeah, that is also working. But oh no,
Yes, sir.
it's something is showing 14 something. But it result should not show, right? Result is showing like
Yes, sir.
Sham, Lokesh. So whatever we have used earlier and all, backslash also we can use in normal programming language. We'll see that also.
Try giving it in different lines, sir.
Hmm. Yeah. True,
Like
true.
quotes and backslash
Yeah,
different lines.
correct. We'll try. This is one, right? Another we'll try to, yeah, try to use. I need some more text actually. So here I'll use like this. I don't think it will work. Let me. Yours also will try. Echo. right? Like this. End
Yes,
what?
sir.
End how should I end this? Only single quote.
Yes, sir. Only single quote.
But single quote it is mixing with the column. This one single double quote it is mixing with the double quote. Okay.
Different lines, sir. The colon, quote,
Okay.
and
I have to
another
end.
line.
Okay. I have to end this like this. Is it correct? So
I think so.
like this.
No, sir. A quote with the colon line only.
Mm-hmm. We'll try. No
After
problem.
quote, we enter.
Yeah. This is a different line actually. Ending with a
And
single quote is
echo,
different line.
echo also different lines, sir. Echo. Can you do it? Echo. From there.
This echo. Hmm.
From there, we should.
1 second. Okay. 1 second. Like this.
Yes, sir.
Okay. We'll try this also. Any other thing? Any other experiment? Tell me.
No, sir.
Uh, yeah, we have used actually here this one hash also for single line, and also double line we have used less than, double greater than, and this is also we have used backslashes, and this let's see, let's try. And C language also we'll try. Shall we try with the C language like star backslash? We'll try. Yes. Uh, yeah. Backslash star. Why it is getting here? Backslash. It's not taking. Funny. It's not taking. It is going down. Okay. If I press enter backslash. Now I'll try. Why? I have used earlier, right? Why again? This. Now I'll get. Yeah. Star. Enter. Backslash star. Backslash. Yeah, we have tried these many ways. Enter. Okay. Let's execute. See this, guys. What are the things executed, what not? So it does not come, but I did mistake, I think so. 1 second. We should not like. Okay. 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 See this, guys. First of all, I'll use. I need some numbers. Total 27 numbers are there. So let me bit. Okay. And if I execute, you see this only. This is also acted as a comment. This is also acted as a comment, right? And this is also
Yes,
acted
sir.
as a comment, and this is also acted as a comment. Okay, and this is also acted as a comment. So even whatever we used hashtag like backslash and hashtag, we used to use in C language, that also I tried for experiment. It is got succeeded. I succeeded with this, and this also it is executed. Okay, it is also working, and this is also working, but everything is working, but simply if we should make it as simple actually. We should not go very complicated. So that's the reason hash is very easy. And also if you want to use directly double greater than and double less than, so we can use this. If you want to use, you can also use this, right? So we have used comments like this. So anyways, we have these many ways. 1 2 3 4 5 ways are there to comment. Okay, that's it. That's all about comments. Next we'll see about variables. Okay, so total variables, what kind of variables we have? So we have a two type of variables. One is, one second guys, yeah, one is user defined variable, another one is system defined variable. Okay, so first, before going to user defined variables and system defined variables, what is variable? Okay, so variable means, variable is a storage. Okay, it's not database storage. Variable is a kind of storage. What it will store? It's a kind of memory. It's a kind of memory. It will, and also it will store, what kind of it will, what kind of things it will store? It will store the values. Okay, so where we can store the values? So in C language we have two type of variables, user defined and system defined. Okay, so by using, it's a kind of storage. By using this variables, so values we can store. Okay, values in the sense, what type of values guys, any idea? What type of values we can store? Either it
Numeric.
is, yeah, what type of values? Names,
Yeah, sir.
means
Maybe string and numeric.
string, integers. Okay, all. So these kind of values we can store. So in same way, user defined and system defined variables we have in the shell script. Okay, so here in Linux, how to see system defined variables? In Linux, how to see system defined variables? Already it is there. Let's try. Control L. See
Where,
this?
sir?
System defined variables. We'll see system defined variables by using environment file, env. Let's go. See this? Shell. These are all variables. So in this shell and bin bash, in this, what is variable? What is variable value? Guys, see this? I'll use pink. It's good. This is whatever it is there. This shell. This shell is, what is it? This is variable name. Okay, and bin and bash. This is the, what is, you can see this guys, right? Bin and bash. This is variable value. Okay, so right, next if we can also use print env. Not sure. Yeah, it is also working same. Print env can, we can use for system, to see the system defined variables. Okay, and so user is one variable and name is also one variable. This, where it is, it has gone, I think. Yeah, this one, right? So if you want to display something, we can use echo shell, something like that, output, something we have used right earlier, echo dollar shell, right? Bin bash. So this, if you want to see the variable value, okay, if you want to see the variable value, we have seen like this is variable value only, right? Earlier I have shown you guys this one, this is variable value and this is variable name, right? If you want to see only variable value, you can use echo shell. Bin bash is variable value, okay. Along with the variable value, you should give symbol, dollar symbol, okay. It will display variable value, like variable name, sorry, okay. So variable name, along with the variable name, if you give dollar symbol, you will get variable value, something like this, okay. Next, who am I? Let's see this root, this is variable name, this is value. In Linux, like this, okay. For example, echo dollar hist size, sorry, see this 1000, guys, can you see here? See these commands, whatever the commands are there, this history can able to store up to 1000, this much, okay. So like this we can able to override. For example, if you want to override, for example, how much default, guys? Default, how much they have given? 1000, right? Default we got 1000. Can we ever able to override? Yes, we can able to override. Like this we can able to override. Means if you want to override, simple. I think you in Python you might have seen, right? Export command, export you have used, I think so. Hist size, size equal to, so I want to change it as 2000. See, 2000. So this is actually default value, okay. I have override it, okay. This is override. So default value also we can able to override by using this, okay. So what is user defined variables? In C language, how we have defined variables, guys? I think in our academics 2009 have seen something like this, something, 2009 I used to write like this, int a, okay, C language, int a, something like this, right? So what is int? Integer value. Yeah, it is integer value. Integer value means it is a data type, right?
Yes, sir.
It's a data type. So what is exactly variable name here? This is, right? Yeah, a is a variable name, right? So a is variable name, right? So this is how we used to declare earlier. So this is very simple one, okay. This is how we used to declare in C language, okay. So and also we used to use initialization. I think you guys remember what is initialization. Creating and assigning a value like this, creating and assigning, we are creating and we are assigning a value. This is called as initialization. So for suppose in Java, So we used to give like this, right? Int a equal to 10, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
something like this. This is, what is this? Hmm?
Variable name.
This is name. This is,
Variable.
right, right. Where it this value came from? What is this value? This is integer, right? So in shell script, how we have to define the variable? So this is actually, this is just trying to recollect all previous C language Java just for getting our topic into. Okay. So in shell script, how can we write? Hmm? In shell script, once again.
We can directly give name and
Hmm.
value, sir, in
Yeah,
double
correct.
quotes.
Directly we can give like this: A is equal to 10, B is equal to 30, C is equal to 50. Okay, like this. Name equal to LK Cloud Tech, something like this. Directly we can give the name. No need to mention any integers. No need to mention variable names. All these things. Okay, this is also variable name is there. That's fine. But as like this, no need colons and all. No need to mention integers. So we have to mention integer equal to. So sorry, integer a equal to 10. Something like this in Java. We have to mention like this, right? So no need to do like this. Here we can directly define the values like this. Okay. So it is easy. That's why shell scripting is very easy to identify writing. So no need any that much of big all complicated programming. No
Excuse me, sir.
complicated. Yeah.
Sir, like this where it is used, sir, like the scripting actually in DevOps, related to DevOps.
So actually, in DevOps we cannot say Sham. Not in DevOps. Wherever they require it,
Sir,
this is completely belongs to client requirement. Okay. So for automation purpose, okay, automation in Linux, in automation purpose we have to use. Okay. So instead of running the commands, instead of running single commands, so if you want to set something, for example, um, WhatsApp, WhatsApp. So WhatsApp definitely every day it will take a backup. Okay. So at 2 p.m. you will go. Are you going and doing something? So it is,
no, sir.
they have written some scripting, and they are this scripting attached with the cron job. Okay. So at the time they will schedule it. So this is not one small thing actually. Shell scripting means you have to write the script and you have to attach with the script with the jobs, and you also in DevOps also by writing the shell script we have to attach with the Jenkins. Okay. Jenkins, what Jenkins will do, in Jenkins we can keep cron job. Okay. In this cron job, what cron job will do exactly in a particular time period, at that time it will schedule and it will run the script. In CI/CD
Oh,
pipelining at the time we have
Yes,
used. So there is no particular we can see, if you learn the shell script wherever you require it is based on the complete client requirement. Okay. But you
sure,
have
sir.
to know 100%, you have to know the shell scripting. Okay, once if you know the shell scripting wherever you require, so you will write. There is no any specific thing to, so every company will follow shell script, no need. So it's not like that. So no, all the companies will not follow. Those who want to automate the script, okay, those who want to automate for the backups, okay, for the cleaning purpose, memory utilization, CPU utilization, okay, and any automation like this, any automated files want to automate something like this. So at that time it will this shell scripting is easy. So no need to go individual commands. You have to type one command, two second command, third command, fourth command. No need to do manual process. If you give all the command in one script, okay, then one click only, with one click only you can able to run all the files at a time. So it is effortless. That's what, right?
Okay,
So,
sir.
so something like this. So in Linux, in shell scripting, in shell scripting. So you have to write, for example, a is equal to 10, b is equal to 20, c is equal to 40. If it is there like this, name equal to lokesh. If it is there like this, so we have to write like this: echo dollar a, echo dollar, what is this, b, echo dollar c, echo dollar, what is that, name. So we are defining what, variable names. Okay, we are defining variable names, right? Am I right, guys? Here,
Yes, sir.
right? It will display like 10, 20, 40, something like this. Okay, so shall we try then? So I want to write this
Yes,
in
sir.
one script. Let's try. Okay, I think I have mentioned one scripting file, right? Oh, one second. Right, I think cd shell script. Yeah, these many scripts are there. So can anyone give me name? Variables, va, right? Dot sh, can I mention dot sh or not? No need. Right, echi, forgetting I, echo, echo. See this, we have to mention something, a. Okay, a means variable value is, a variable value is so I'll mention like this, colon. Okay, variable value is dollar a. Okay, dollar a means whatever dollar a is there, whatever name, variable name, dollar a variable name consists of, so it's on, maybe if it is 10 or 20, something like this. So we have to mention like this. So I'll try to write more. Okay, so let's try with this. Is it possible or not? But where we have to give the values? So I did not mention that, so I have to mention a
So before echo only, before the starting of the line only, we can mention
yeah
everything. So
ABCDs. Yeah, 1 second, I'm trying to write. Yes, we have to mention here echo dollar. So sorry, I have to define the values,
No,
right?
sir.
Echo
You can
yes, sir. Like
directly
a
assign.
direct a
echo
equals a equal to.
echo dollar a. Is it not works?
No, sir. Like we
Sorry,
can give directly, no, sir.
Directly we
yeah,
can
yeah,
assign.
yeah.
No, sir.
A equal to 10, no. B equal to 40, C equal to 30, and name equal to LK server cloud tech, right? I forgot this. This I have written, but I did not mention here. A equal to 10. This A value will display. Next B value will display. And C value will be display. Name in the sense whatever name we have defined, that name will be displayed. That's fine. Okay. That's fine. Let's try to save. Yeah. A variable value is 10. B is 40. C is 10. And name of the variable value is so and so, like this. So as a part of best practice, all user defined variable must mention in lowercase. Okay. Understood, guys?
Sir, like
Yes, sir.
what if, sir, you directly assign the value, sir. What if you want from user side, sir? User need to enter.
So user need to enter.
Sir, like
What?
you assign directly, sir, for a
Hmm.
value of ABC.
Hmm.
What if we want from user side?
No, users are.
Like,
We'll see. We'll see that also. Upcoming classes.
sure, sir.
Yeah, we are going. We are just simply stepping into one by one. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Yeah. So, guys, earlier you have seen right here. See this? System defined variables. See here? It is in uh, capital letters, right? Variable names. Whatever system defined variable names are already in capital letters. You see here? See this? All capital letters. Variable values, I am not talking about variable values. I am talking about variable names. All variable system defined all variable names are in capital letters. So as a user we have to maintain one best practice. Whatever variable names are there, so in user defined, okay, if you are as a user, as a best practice I'm telling, better you have to use small letters. Okay, already system is taking all capital letters only. So see, so to avoid confusion, so don't use capital letters variable names, try to use small letters only. So nothing will happen. If you want to use, you can also use capital letters, but already system defined is capital letters uppercase, so better you try to use lowercase. Okay, that's what, it's your wish, and but if you keep one standardization method, then it is good actually. So system defined already it will be in uppercase, so if you use lowercase it will be fine, right? Is there any command for user defined variables to display? Actually earlier we have used var, right, for system defined. Sorry, env, environment files. System defined variables, if you want to see, you have used environment files, env. So this, so
Alright, sir.
so is there any command for user defined files to see? So this is question. If somebody asks, simply you say no command. If you want to see user defined variables, you simply open the whatever variables which we have defined, just simply open and show, that's it. Okay, And another thing, guys, whenever we have mentioned here, where is that? ABCDs. Okay, I'll open this. See this? Whenever you try to give this name and also value, okay, variable name, variable value, you should not maintain any space here like this. Don't mention any spaces like this. 1 second. I do not mention any spaces like this. Okay, it doesn't take. Don't consider. Okay, don't mention spaces like this. Okay, this is one point I just would like to say. This is wrong. Okay, understood? So this is wrong and this is right. This is wrong. This is right. Okay. Right. Next. Why it is stuck? Right. Okay. Next. This is something very small about variables. Next. Yeah. This is about command line arguments. Okay, command line. What is command line arguments? What is command line arguments? During shell script execution, values passing through command prompt is called as command line arguments. During shell script execution, while you are executing the shell script, values passing through the command prompt is called as command line arguments. For example, while running shell script, we can specify the command line arguments as sh script file arguments. We directly give arguments like with the name after argument 1, argument 2, argument 3, like this. Okay, so along with the file name, you can also give arguments. You can pass the arguments along with the file name while running the shell script. Okay, while using command line arguments, follow the below simple important points. What are those? We can specify n number of arguments. There is no any limitation. Okay, and each argument is separated by a space. Okay, like this. For every argument, if you pass one argument, after that immediately again you are passing another argument, just need to maintain one space. Okay, that is proper and correct method. Okay, so for example, some DB, for example, database is there. If I have a database name, okay, DB database file, this is my file .sh. If it is there, okay, while I am passing like this sh, while I am running sh db file. Okay, also see, sh means executing, right? While executing, okay, while executing, and file name you have to give, okay, database name, database path, db path, okay, db anything, value, something. So like this, while executing itself, we can also give the arguments like this. Understood? So this is something related to command line argument. So whatever we are passing the arguments while we are running the script, so these arguments called as command line arguments. This is definition. Okay, while executing the shell scripting itself, so we have to pass the arguments. We can able to pass the arguments. So how to get the values? How to get the values? $1. Or suppose to getting values, need to use symbols like this. $1 first argument, $2 second argument. While running shell script, you can understand this. $3 third. Okay, something like this, $10, okay, 10th argument, okay, and so dollar 10, you can write like this also, okay. So $0 is successfully executed, okay. So if you get $0 lastly, so something you passed argument, guys, the first two argument, second argument, whatever the content, it doesn't mind, just leave it, just try to understand. If there is an arguments, while you are passing argument, something it will get. So in result you will get like this, first, second, third. Once it is reaches to, if you see somewhere $0, that execution got successful, okay. Script of last completed, okay. So for example, if counter, if I need to display, uh, I need to display something count, okay. We have to use dollar and hash, like this, okay. Dollar and dollar also, this is gives process ID. We'll do some exercises on this, okay. Dollar and question mark, previous command execution, okay. And if you see zero, I told you, successful, right. If you see some 127 number, okay, while you are executing shell scripting, if you see somewhere else 127 number, this is actually command not found error, this is error, okay. If you see somewhere else, somewhere 127 number, this is standard number, okay, that means command not found, okay. So next, dollar $, what is this? All the arguments, you can see, dollar hashtag, what is it? This is also all the argument. So what is the difference between these two? What is the difference between these two means? It will give first one, whatever @ and hash, sorry, @ and dollar and @ will give each argument as one string, or each argument as one string, and this one will give all arguments as one string. This one give each arguments in one string, all arguments in one string, this is each argument in one string, separate, okay. So how many number of arguments I can pass at a time?
No limitations.
Yes. So n number of, which means no limitation, right? So let's try to understand, guys, this one. Guys, how much time it's left? So how long we've been working on this? Okay, anyways, we can continue, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. See, let's try, guys. Let's try to understand here. Let's try to understand here why we have to use arguments. What are the purpose of argument? How arguments are running? Okay. So I will create one. Okay. I'll create one file. Vi cmd command line arguments .sh. This is my file, okay. So here I have used means sh I have used, right? What I
Yes,
have to
sir.
mention here?
Shebang
Hmm.
hash
Hmm.
exclamatory
Hmm.
slash bin slash bash.
Hmm. Right. Next. So here I'll use some commands like echo. So this is a command line argument. This is command line argument. Something I am writing here. And next echo. Guys, these symbols are important. Dollar zero echo dollar one echo dollar, excuse me, two. So let me try to copy. Okay. One, two, three, four, something like this. We can mention 10. Okay. So dollar 10 after, what is that? Dollar 10 after dollar star, I think I said, right? Dollar star, dollar at the rate, dollar hash, dollar dollar, I think so, right? And dollar, okay, something I'll use some commands cal cal after date, okay, sorry, okay. So I'll use question mark also. Let's try question mark. There it is. Yeah, right. So enough, I think. I'm not remembering anything. Enough, this much enough. So let me try, guys, this one. Let me try. We'll see the results, how it's working, right? So shall we execute this?
Yes,
sh,
sir.
yeah, sh. See this, guys? Well, I'll try to open cat also, numbers cat hyphen n. See this? We have to compare. First one, hey, why it is getting? Anyways, it's okay. First one is echo
Cat
this.
cell.
Yeah.
Use
Echo,
cat.
yeah. Echo, this is a command line argument. Okay? This is command line argument, right?
Yes, sir.
This is executed. First one is echo 0. Why numbers? See, here echo 0. Third one. What is that? Echo 0. Nothing is there, right? Nothing, we did not mention anything. Then after something, some lines later, we got 0. What is that? And after that, above cal command, what is we got? Dollar, right? Calendar after dollar. What is this? PID number. Okay, process ID number. See this? By using symbols itself,
Yes, sir.
it's PID number taken. These symbols you just need to simply by head. That's it. So there is no any logic. Okay. So and so while running command, we'll try to give arguments, guys. For example, this is first one, right? What is this first? This is first. This is second one, right? So I'll give a name for this. Maybe it is first one, right? This is first one or this first one? See, I'll see. Okay, I'll try to, while passing. See this? I'm trying to execute this shell scripting. So I'll keep some name db name. Okay, and also another one db path. I'm just giving. Let's see the result. The result might be it should fit with this. Let's see. Enter. See this, guys. It has taken. Hmm? DB name it has taken. DB path is taken, but it is wrong. Why it is wrong, guys? It is wrong. Whenever it has number 2 taken, there it is replicated. Whenever it is 1 it has taken, see, it is taken 1, it is taken actually 1 means DB name. See this, guys, can you see here? This one, just simply observe this, remaining just left, leave it. This DB name and 0, which means whatever arguments passed, it has taken for one number. Okay, this has taken for second number. Okay, this is DB name. Wherever one is there, that has replaced with the DB name. The same is happening here. Okay, DB name has replaced here itself, and 0 as usual which came. That's why whenever you mention 10th argument, you should not mention like that. Okay, whenever you give, you have to mention open brackets, flower brackets, right? One second, let's try and execute now. This closed. Can I save? WQ. Shall I execute? See this, guys? DB name, first one, it has taken DB name. Second one it has taken. Okay, nothing. Third is nothing. Fourth nothing. Fifth nothing. Sixth nothing. And after that, so it came something. Fourth. 4 it has taken. DB name, DB path, again and again. Why like this? It should be empty. It should be empty. This is fine. Whenever you got, this is taken 0. Okay, which one? How many number? After 10th, dollar and star has taken this one, current one. You understood? Current, whatever the names are there, that has taken. Dollar and at the rate also it has taken. And this one, dollar and hash taken something number. Okay, so what I told earlier, dollar and hash for no argument. Where is that? I have to open. Dollar and hash. See this. Whenever I told dollar hash, this is for symbolic. No, number of arguments. No, number of arguments it will take. Sorry. Dollar and hash. If you see somewhere dollar and hash, so number of arguments it will take. How many arguments we got? 2, right? We have taken 2 arguments. See this? 2 arguments, right? One argument number 1, argument number 2. It has given like this. And another one is dollar. It gives process ID. This one, right? Dollar. Process ID it has given. And next to dollar and a question mark. Somewhere I have to go again inside. See? Dollar and question mark. Here. What it is? It's previous command executed status. Guys, no, I can't do anything. You have to remember. That's it. This is previous command execution status. Dollar question mark. Can I write here itself, guys? Are you there? Are you with me? Guys, are you left or are still stay with me only?
Present, sir.
Dollar question mark. This will tell you previous command executed status. Okay, and Next dollar hash, this one. Okay, this will give you number of arguments. Okay, total how many arguments we have given? 2. Okay, next dollar and dollar, it gives process id, it gives process id. Okay, something xyz, some number came, right? Process id number it will give. Next to dollar at the rate, so all the arguments, it will show. And dollar star, okay, this is also same, all arguments. But star, whatever I mentioned star, this will gives all arguments as a one string, all arguments as a string. Okay, this is all arguments as all arguments as one string, this one. And this is all arguments as sorry, all are not all arguments, that's why I'm confused. Each argument as a string. That what? Next dollar star, dollar hash. Next 127, this 127 number, if you find somewhere, command not found, okay, command not found. If you see somewhere 0, successful, okay. That's it, right? So if you give like this, you have to 10 2-digit numbers you have to mention like this. Okay, something like this you have to remember. So one second. See this, guys, this is executed. See db name, I have given db name first argument, db path second argument, db value third argument, db is fifth argument. Okay, then after whatever I have given statements, okay, which means dollar star and dollar hash, so all it is showing here, all arguments it will show here in string. Okay, so this is number of arguments. What is exactly symbol for number of arguments? Dollar hash. So it has taken, dollar hash will take how many? 1 2 3 4 values. This 4 values has taken. Next to PID number. For PID number, which value? Dollar. Okay, next after it executed some other comments. See date command executed. Lastly, after all commands execution, 0 has taken. 0 I did not give, but if you get a 0, you have to know that successfully completed. So 0 indicates successful. That's it. Right, guys? So hyphen, some symbols are there, another some symbols. So equal means equal, less than, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than equal to. So there are some symbols are there. You know all those symbols, I think so, right? So just this is just simply just try to keep in your mind whenever it is used, while we are using shell scripting. So in all one shell script, while we are writing some shell script, these kind of basics will be useful whenever it is required. So we can use these basics there itself. You understood? While passing the arguments itself, while running the shell scripting, okay, while executing the shell scripting, you can pass the arguments simply, which means, understood? That's it, guys. Next tomorrow we'll see about string. Okay. So even Google also given this much information about command line arguments. I mean, ChatGPT. Okay. So next we'll see about string. What is string? What is the use of string? So how we can use the string in shell scripting? Okay. So let me take a class tomorrow. Next related to this string. After that we will see arithmetic operations. Okay. Plus a plus b, a minus c, a minus b, a minus c, a into b, b into c, like that. That's it, guys. Please respond, at least this time.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So let's close this class today. So kindly do practice, guys. If you ask me what can I, for example, if you ask me this, okay. So why in the sense, how can I say this is already predefined? Linux shell scripting, it is defined by programming operating system. Okay, they have defined this. In this defined, while I am trying to passing the arguments, I can tell, oh yeah, while I am passing the argument, yeah, it is replaced one, second one replaced this, third one replaced this, okay, fourth one. So this is 10th argument. So 10th argument, it will take star hash, star dollar hash, what is it, dollar at the rate, what is the purpose? I can able to tell the purpose means why you are mentioning dollar and hash, in the sense not in hand, not in our hand. It is predefined by system, operating system, shell scripting standards. You have to learn. That's it. You understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. That's it. Hashing in C language, hash included yesterday I would attach. Sir, what is the purpose of it? And means I can't say, right? So there is some pattern for C language to start the program, something like this. This is also like this for arguments. If there are some patterns for the arguments, these patterns you have to keep in your mind. So while we are passing the arguments, so we can pass the number of arguments like this. So we can understand that what if you whenever you are passing the arguments while running the shell script, so what it is replacing. So what is the purpose of it? How we are using, how we have to use, where we have to use. This is what we have to use. We have to understand why you should not stop at why. Okay, because you have to move forward, right? Why in the sense they have designed like this. You understood? There is a pattern. That pattern is called this. This is dollar hash, dollar at the rate, dollar hashtag, dollar question mark. They have fixed it. Okay. That's it, guys. Thanks for joining. So we'll see you in next
Thank you,
class
sir.
tomorrow. We'll discuss about strings. Okay. That's all about today.
Okay, sir.
Take care until then. Bye bye. See you next class.